Block Inc.'s inclusion in the S&P 500 signals a radical shift in Bitcoin adoption trends. Jack Dorsey's company will replace Hess Corp on July 23rd, reflecting new institutional confidence. This milestone emphasizes how Block Bitcoin reserves bolster its crypto legitimacy in mainstream finance. After-hours trading saw Block shares surge nearly 10%, signaling strong market enthusiasm. Institutional investors now gain indirect Bitcoin exposure through this S&P 500 entry, broadening adoption worldwide. But how will this move impact Bitcoin's wider legitimacy and market dynamics? Keep watching as we unpack the details. Block Inc.'s growing prominence under Jack Dorsey highlights significant acceptance of crypto assets. Dorsey's visionary push has positioned Block as a central player linking traditional finance with digital currency. Institutional players, traditionally hesitant about crypto, now view Bitcoin through Block Bitcoin's stock performance lens. The S&P 500 is a major factor in legitimizing companies, and Block's inclusion is no exception. This inclusion isn't just symbolic. It opens pathways for institutional Bitcoin inflows via investor confidence and ETFs linked to Block Bitcoin. Could this trigger a domino effect for Bitcoin integration in global portfolios? The implications could be far-reaching. Now, let's pivot to the mechanics of this market impact. Institutional investors often rely on indexes like the S&P 500 to benchmark exposure. Block becoming part of this key index means portfolio managers can access Bitcoin-like assets with more regulatory clarity. This trend echoes Coinbase's NASDAQ 100 entry, bolstering crypto market acceptance previously. But unlike pure crypto exchanges, Block combines payment solutions with sizable Bitcoin reserves, creating dual exposure. This hybrid model attracts investors seeking Bitcoin's upside without direct crypto wallet complexities. Expect growing interest in Bitcoin ETFs and exchange-traded products tied to Block Bitcoin's stock performance. Block Bitcoin's increasing legitimacy, thanks to this S&P 500 entry, will encourage traditional investors to reconsider crypto assets. Market analysts suggest this development offers a safer gateway for cautious institutional entrants. As volumes and trading liquidity expand, so will Bitcoin price stability and perceived credibility. The ripple effects on decentralized finance platforms, staking opportunities, and blockchain innovation can't be ignored. Those watching crypto trading know institutional participation is crucial for long-term sustainability. For a Bitcoin supporter like Dorsey, this milestone pushes mass adoption, and the market will react accordingly. Here's a crucial question. How might regulators respond to this changing landscape? Increased involvement of S&P-listed companies with Bitcoin might invite both scrutiny and clearer guidelines. While some uncertainty remains, most regulators prefer seeing crypto adopted through trusted financial entities. As Block continues integrating Bitcoin with mainstream tools, legal frameworks may evolve to facilitate broader market entry. Thus, this landmark inclusion affects not just investor sentiment, but might shape the future of crypto regulations. I personally trade on a rock-solid crypto exchange boasting consistently ultra-low fees. Its deep liquidity ensures instant order fills. Plus, lightning-fast withdrawals keep funds flexible. Tap the special link in the description below today and unlock exclusive sign-up rewards. It's essential to monitor how policymakers adapt in the coming months. A brief reminder for those interested, like and subscribe now to stay updated on critical crypto market moves. Your engagement helps us dive deeper into developments like this. Returning to the topic, analyst ratings on Block Bitcoin remain optimistic, with many forecasting outperforming returns fueled by crypto demand. This optimism mirrors broader bullish sentiment surrounding Bitcoin and digital assets. However, volatility risks persist, and potential investors should carefully evaluate exposure levels. Consulting crypto-specific financial advisors remains a vital step before investment decisions. Balancing risk with growth potential defines today's Bitcoin-related investments. Let's reflect on what this means for Bitcoin adoption globally. Block Bitcoin's S&P 500 inclusion reinforces the idea that Bitcoin is moving from speculative investment toward institutional asset class status. This progression accelerates adoption across corporate treasuries and investment funds worldwide. As more companies follow Block's example, Bitcoin network effects will strengthen, driving higher transaction volumes and hash rate security. Educational initiatives must keep pace so new investors understand crypto's technical foundations, including Bitcoin mining and block size implications. This ecosystem growth will likely sustain Bitcoin's market momentum well past 2024. Another compelling aspect is how this move affects related cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects. When institutional investors warm up to Bitcoin, ancillary tokens such as major altcoins often benefit from increased attention and capital flows. Projects focused on decentralized finance, Bitcoin's scalability, Layer 2 scaling, and smart contracts could see secondary gains. Block's business model, blending fintech with crypto reserves, provides a blueprint for future companies aiming to join major indices. Watching this trend unfold signals strategic opportunities for investors and developers alike. This is a pivotal evolutionary phase for crypto's integration with traditional finance. Before we wrap up, consider this. Block Bitcoin's entry into the S&P 500 represents a watershed moment bridging Bitcoin with legacy finance. The surge in institutional trust it generates will likely spark further acceptance and regulatory clarity. This creates a positive feedback loop, fueling Bitcoin adoption, market maturity, Bitcoin security, and technological innovation. For investors and crypto enthusiasts, understanding these dynamics offers a competitive edge. Don't miss out. Comment below with your thoughts on Block Bitcoin's impact, and share this video to spread awareness. Bitcoin adoption is reaching new heights with Block Inc.'s prominent market milestone. Institutional access to Bitcoin is becoming more seamless, driving fresh momentum. This shift is a critical factor shaping Bitcoin price trajectories beyond the Bitcoin halving event. Keeping track of index changes like this will help you anticipate market shifts and opportunities. I personally trade on a rock-solid crypto exchange, boasting consistently ultra-low fees. Its deep liquidity ensures instant order fills, plus lightning-fast withdrawals keep funds flexible. Tap the special link in the description below today and unlock exclusive sign-up rewards. Stay connected, stay informed, and watch as Bitcoin continues to redefine global finance at unprecedented speed, supported by increasing Bitcoin transactions that demonstrate real-world adoption and utility.